In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view board templates in Monday.com in just 5 minutes. Monday.com is a powerful work operating system that lets teams run projects and workflows with confidence. To start accessing board templates, we'll need to log into your Monday.com account. First, visit the Monday.com website. Once there, look at the top right corner of the screen and click on the Login button. This will direct you to the Login page. On this page, instead of manually entering your email and password, you can choose the convenient option to sign in with Google. Click on Google and a window will pop up, allowing you to select your Google account. Make sure you're signed in to the correct account or choose from the list of logged in accounts displayed. Once logged in, you're on your dashboard. Now, to get to where we can view the templates, look towards the left panel of the screen. You'll see a plus icon, which acts as a gateway to creating new items on Monday.com. Go ahead and click on that plus icon. After doing so, a small menu will appear. In this menu, look for the board option, accompanied by a small arrow. It's important to click on the arrow, not just the text, to ensure you open the correct submenu. After clicking the board arrow, you'll see an option that says Start with Template. Click on this, and it'll bring you to the Template Center. The Template Center is a treasure trove of templates that you can use to kickstart your projects. It's designed to cater to various needs, from project management to CRM, marketing, design, and more. Once you're inside the Template Center, you'll find a vast array of templates neatly categorized to help you hunt down exactly what you need with ease. Take some time to explore these offerings. You can select from featured templates, personal favorites, or those specifically designed for your industry. When you find a template that you think will suit your project, you can click to see more details about how it can serve your needs. Remember, exploring templates doesn't make any changes to your current setup. It's all about ensuring you find the structure that will best facilitate your team's workflow. Once you decide on a template to use, you'll have the option to begin customizing it right away. All these steps should provide you with a good understanding of how to navigate the world of templates in Monday.com, empowering you and your team with the right tools for effective collaboration. And that's it, a simple, straightforward way to view board templates in Monday.com. Give it a try and you'll be well on your way to optimizing your workspace in Monday.com. Thank you for watching and happy organizing.